Dear children, today myself Harish sir is before you. Yesterday we studied about the direct and indirect sentences, and in consequence of our learning, we learned how to change the present tense sentences into indirect sentences. Further, we shall categorize the sentences into four parts: assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, optative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Today we shall read about the assertive sentences. Assertive sentences contain affirmative and negative both. assertive सेंटेंस में affirmative और negative दोनों एक होता है, और जब हम affirmative को चेंज करते हैं तो उसमें affirmative के रूल फॉलो होते हैं, और वही रूल नेगेटिव में भी फॉलो होते हैं। उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होता है। फर्क इतना है कि affirmative sentences are made in affirmative sense and negative sentences are made in negative sense. Now, I'll try to make you understand through some examples. See here. See here, sentence is there. Ravi said, he has learned the given chapter. रवि ने कहा कि वो दिया गया चैप्टर लर्न कर लिया। Now, you have to change this sentence into indirect sentence. As we see in reporting work, first you have to make a change in reporting work. After that, you will come on the next part, that is reported speech. Since it has been described here that reporting work is in already past tense, therefore we shall write Ravi said that suppose that if any object is there, then shade will be changed in told. But in the present example, there is not a single object, therefore reporting verb will be written as it is. जिस तरह से उसी तरह से लिख देंगे, आगे दैट जोड़ेंगे। नाउ कम टू द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच। ही हैज लर्न द गिवन चैप्टर। उसने अपना सबक लर्न कर लिया है। I have already told you the rules relating to narration, that present tense will be changed in past tense as its sequence. Therefore, the present perfect will be changed in past perfect. So, we shall write he had learned Ravi said that he had learned the given lesson. रवि ने कहा कि उसने दिया गया चैप्टर लर्न कर लिया था, याद कर लिया था, सीख लिया था। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज देयर। Now see the next sentence. Sohan said his friend Sohan said to his friend, he is going to appear in IAS exam. Now you see that object is present here in the reporting verb. Therefore, we shall make a change in the verb of reporting verb, and that will be Sohan told his friend। टू को हम ओमिट कर देंगे, टू will be omitted, and Sohan told his friend। Next, that now come to the second part of the sentence, reported speech। He is going to appear in IAS exam. What the tense of reported speech is there? This is present continuous tense. Therefore, according to Parrol, it will be changed in past continuous tense, and the narration will be there that exam. He was going to appear in IAS exam. This is the example of present continuous tense. Present perfect has already been given, and yesterday I told you about the present indefinite tense. Now come to the next topic. Suman said, her friend Suman said to his friend, she was playing in the park yesterday. This is past tense, past continuous. Suman said to her friend, she was playing in the park yesterday. First, we have to check the part reporting verb. Object is present here. Therefore, we shall make a change in reporting verb. Suman told her friend that now see the next part, reported speech. She was playing in the park yesterday, past continuous tense. Therefore, according to per rule, past continuous will be changed in past perfect continuous. And yesterday, according to rule of changing time and place expression, yesterday will be changed in previous day. What will be make the narration? She had been playing in the park previously. Okay. She had been playing in the park previous day. Two changes are there. First change is in tense and second is in time. You have to learn the changes about place and time. As now will be changed there, here will be changed there, now will be changed then, this will be changed, that yesterday will be changed, previous day, tomorrow will be changed, the day after. All the rules relating to time and place has been given, already given in your book. So learn it manually. Now come to next. Hunter said to king, Hunter said to king, he hunted a lion in the forest. Now you see that object is present there, therefore visualize. Hunter told the king, ये the told the king that he hunted a lion in the forest. See here. Reported speech in past tense, past indefinite. Therefore, past indefinite will be changed in past perfect. We shall write that he had hunted a lion in the forest. That will be clear. Now, past indefinite, past continuous. Now come to the past perfect. Seema Seema said her friend, Seema said to her friend, she had watched a movie study. Now, the part reported speech in past perfect tense. According to per rule, it will be changed in past perfect continuous tense, and the time will be changed according to per rule. Now the narration will be Seema told her friend, when you change reporting verb in indirect, the preposition will be omitted. To will be omitted here. Seema told her friend that she had been washed or she had been watched a movie previous day. Yesterday will be changed in previous day. That's clear. Now come to the past perfect continuous tense. No change will take place in this tense, in this part of tense. इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होता है. अब come to the negative sentences. Suppose that Seema said to her friend, I did not tell a lie. Seema said to her friend, I didn't tell a lie. सीमा ने अपने दोस्त से कहा कि मैंने झूठ नहीं बोला. Now you see that reporting verb has an object and reported speech is in past indefinite tense, and pronoun, personal pronoun is there in the sentence. Now we shall make a change in reporting verb, that Seema told her friend. Now you see I. What is I according to the rules of pronoun? First person, second person or third person? मैंने बताया था I का मतलब मैं, फर्स्ट, यू सेकेंड और वह थर्ड. I means first person. And first person will be changed according to subject of the sentence. And you see here that Seema is the subject in this sentence. That is third person. Therefore, I will be changed according to third person. And it will be changed in he. And didn't, what he didn't? Didn't is past indefinite tense. According to per rule, past indefinite will be changed in past perfect tense. Then he, she had not told a lie. You see here, Seema told her friend, she had not told a lie. उसने झूठ नहीं बोला. अब come to the past continuous tense. Suppose that Seema told to her teacher, Seema said to her teacher, I have not learnt my lesson. अपने टीचर से कहा कि मैंने अपना सबक याद नहीं किया है. Now you see here that two pronouns, personal pronouns are there in the reported speech, and the tense is present perfect tense. Present perfect will be changed in past perfect tense. And pronoun I and my both will be changed according to subject. What will be there? It will be Seema told her teacher that she had not learned her lesson. उसने अपना सबक याद नहीं किया. बस इतना. थैंक यू. वेरी गुड. हो गया है. वाले